They not gonna help you out because you the competition, man. They already know if they help you out just a little bit, you gonna shoot right past them. Even if you shooting right past them, helps them. But that's a topic for a whole nother video. They ain't gonna put you on or help you out because you the competition. Man, people be sitting right next to you. Your friends, who you think your friends, they'll have a bigger platform than you. They'll be in a position, they got resources to help you out, to help you get on your feet. They wouldn't even help you because you are the competition. You got the things that money can't buy. They already know once they put their light on you, the people that look up to them are gonna start looking at you as the leader. They're gonna start looking at you as the big dog. See, you gotta understand, man, everybody ain't your friend. They don't want to help you because you the competition. So when you ever asking yourself, man, why they in a position they help me? Why they ain't tagging my business on Instagram? Why they ain't sharing my posts? Because you are the competition. They don't like you like that.